Okay guys, this is a part 2 video. Yesterday I did the unboxing of this 1988 Charvel model 4B from Japan. Man, it is a beautiful guitar. Let me tell you what, this guy did me right. It's a beautiful guitar. Look how deep that red is. I mean, I wouldn't call it mint, but I can say near mint. You know, it does have a few places, like on the bridge, where it may be pitting a little bit. You know, that's just age. But man, this thing's all original. Look at that. Look at that beautiful shine. And it's active. And it sounds and plays amazing. Absolutely amazing. Let's put some new strings on it. Let's see what I got here. Put these Ernie balls on here. This is what I do with most of my guitars. I mean, you know, Amazon, they're probably $16, $17 a set. Good strings. I got so many bass guitars. I can't afford to go out and spend $30, $40 on a set of strings. You know, I'll make a few more videos. I've got a few Gibson Victory artists. I got an 80 model and a 1982 model. I got some other kind of unique stuff that I'll make a few more videos on and let you guys see what I got. But anyway, I just want to show y'all this guitar, man. You know, he shipped it from Russia. Awesome job. This guy is top notch. I mean, it didn't come with a case, but he made damn sure that this thing wasn't going anywhere the way he packaged it up. He took the neck off the body and packaged each, you know, individually, and you know, it was just great. And if you ever go to Reverb, man, this guy right here has got some unique stuff. And let's see here. There it is right there. It's NIPPON Guitars. It's in Russia. You know, and it may take a little while to get, guys. I mean, I'm Mississippi. You know, it took a little while to get, but you know, it took about 30 days. But you know, you got to consider customs and all that kind of stuff. But man, it got here, and I was in contact with him off and on through Reverb, and he messaged me right back, you know. But guys, if you're looking for some cool ass guitars, this guy's got it. So, but anyway, 1988 Charvel Model 4B, Japan. Awesome. All right, guys. Appreciate y'all watching. Thanks.